Error 27. VibraRun system jammed. Check for obstructions. Charging. Saving map. Stand by. Take the robot off charging dock to turn off. Error.
Okay, so I want to make this video just to show you that this product does not work like it's supposed to. I got it about 3 months ago, and it started doing that error like 3 months after I purchased the product. I contact customer service and I told them I want my money back, and they say they can because the warranty is for 1 month, which I'm not surprised. They're not giving you more time to return this thing because it doesn't work after a couple months or so. So I don't recommend to buy this product. This is a waste of money. The company is one of the locations is in China, so I couldn't even file for complaint to the bureau business. So just don't want you guys to spend money on something that doesn't work.
My S7 doing his job, rocking it. See if we can get a little video as it goes over the carpet. So you see the little mop things down. Doing this really tight mopping. Not on deep clean, just on normal. See, he'll have to go over this carpet again soon. It's a little damp, like just a light, kind of almost like a Swiffer level of cleaning. I know it scrubs a little bit more now, but oh, I might be low on the water. You can see the tank's kind of empty. This is the last room in a big arc, so. This is going to be a long video. Here it comes. Let's see here. We'll go right over. You'll hear some of the vacuum kick up. Let's see if you look. Now the mopping is up. So, and that's pretty gosh darn cool. And he'll drop it right when he gets over there and recognizes it and
now set at max suction. Still seemingly doing nothing. There's hair right there. Again, this is max suction.
Returning to dock.
Oh, cleaning completed.
I was nervous about it being rough because we have plaster walls. It's super gentle. I just am shocked at how amazing this little thing is. Literally couldn't be happier.
错误4，请擦拭悬崖传感器并远离悬崖后启动。错误4，请擦拭悬崖传感。
Lift sensor